AI is taking over jobs everywhere. But what about cybersecurity? Will hackers be replaced by algorithms? And more importantly, will cybersecurity professionals lose their jobs? Let's clear this up once and for all. Short answer? No. AI will not replace cybersecurity jobs, but it will change them a lot. AI is already deeply involved in cybersecurity today. It helps with things like detecting suspicious network activity, spotting malware faster than humans, monitoring logs 24/7, automating alerts and incident responses. Basically, AI is amazing at speed, pattern recognition, and repetition. But cybersecurity isn't just about spotting patterns. It's about understanding business risk, making judgment calls under pressure, investigating complex attacks, thinking like a human attacker, explaining risks to non-technical people. AI doesn't understand context, intent, or consequences the way humans do. Most cyber attacks don't start with code. They start with people, phishing, social engineering, insider threats. These rely on psychology, trust, and human behavior. AI can help detect them, but humans are still needed to respond, decide, and adapt. What's really happening is this. Cybersecurity professionals who use AI will replace those who don't. AI becomes a power tool, faster threat hunting, smarter defense strategies, less manual work, more focus on high-level security decisions. In fact, AI is actually creating demand for roles like security analysts, cloud security engineers, AI security specialists, threat intelligence experts, governance and compliance professionals. The attack surface is growing, not shrinking. So will AI replace cybersecurity jobs? No, it will upgrade them. Cybersecurity isn't going away, and it's becoming more critical than ever. If you're thinking about entering the field, or you're already in it, learning AI alongside security skills is the smartest move you can make right now. If you found this useful, like and follow for more tech and AI career insights. And let me know in the comments, would you trust AI alone to protect your data?